Hello, this is Nick with Veteran Claim Experts out here at Miss Jan Thoreau's home in Orem, Utah. We did one video of removing this shingle and doing a repair. We will do another test down here just as a secondary example. We'll remove a shingle and then put the new shingle in its place to see if it is a fit size and color wise, and if the existing shingles can be manipulated to warrant a new repair. So to do a proper repair, we have to unseal a shingle and then unseal the shingles above it in order to access the nail line. So this shingle is our proposed repair shingle. We will remove the nails of this shingle by unsealing the shingles above it and moving the nails. You can see that I am not putting any undue stress on these shingles in order to get the nails out, just slightly lifting the shingle up in order to remove the nail. That allows me to get the nail out, and then the shingle above it. I'm only slightly manipulating the shingles above it in order to get the nails. So now we'll go two above it. See that this shingle is already tearing just by me lifting it up 20 degrees. But we'll continue with the repair just to see. Allows us to remove the shingle. We'll put the new shingle in its place. We've already established in my prior video that the new shingle does not fit in this slot. We will not be able to repair the roof because the existing shingle does not fit. You see here that the shingle is all the way to the edge here, and then on this side it is overlapping, which means the new shingles do not fit with the old shingles, and we cannot do repair based on the fit of them, but also just manipulating the shingle above it to access the nail line, we've torn this shingle in half. If we attempt to do a repair on the roof, we will be destroying the surrounding shingles that are not damaged, causing more damage, showing the roof is not repairable. If we were to lift the existing shingle just to put the nails in, to do a proper shingle, you have to drive the nail straight down. In order to do that, you have to lift the shingle up at least about 45, 60 degrees. And you can see already the tear there, the tear here, shingle above it. Have to drive the nails in. I mean, it just rips completely. Over here, again, replacing this shingle, nailing this shingle in up here. You have to lift it up about 60 degrees, and you can see my thumb has already ripped this shingle. We cannot repair this roof. Not only does it fit, but the shingles above it will incur additional damage just trying to nail in the new shingles. We will be requesting a roof replacement. Thank you.